So today I was thinking about the difference between the voice of my intuition and the voice of trauma. The voice of intuition is very peaceful, it's calming, it's a whisper, it's nurturing, it's loving, and it will guide you in the right direction with positivity. Whereas the voice of trauma is fear-based, it's angry, it's aggressive. It forces you into situations and things based out of fear that will not serve you and are not helpful. Over the last 10 months of my healing, I focused on listening to that whisper, that positivity coming from my intuition. Stay healthy, stay aware, stay up. Urban Poison.